Ne travaillez pas si dur.
Don't work so hard. Don't work so hard.
Je prends le métro.
I ride the subway. I ride the subway.
Il est 1h moins 5.
It's 5 after 1. It's 5 after 1.
C'est l'heure du déjeuner.
It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch.
Vous avez dit que vous le feriez.
You said you would. You said you would.
Comment mange-t-on les sushis?
How do you eat sushi? How do you eat sushi?
Je me saoule rapidement.
I get drunk quickly. I get drunk quickly.
Appelez-moi John.
Please call me John. Please call me John.
Quand ouvre-t-elle?
How soon does it open? How soon does it open?
Êtes-vous libre demain?
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Les lignes sont franchies.
The lines are crossed. The lines are crossed.
Pour changer de sujet.
To change the subject. To change the subject.
Il connaît beaucoup de gens.
He knows a lot of people. He knows a lot of people.
J'ai eu une vie terrible.
I've had a terrible life. I've had a terrible life.
Quelqu'un est-il assis ici?
Is anyone sitting here? Is anyone sitting here?
Quelle est votre plainte?
What is your complaint? What is your complaint?
Que faites-vous aujourd'hui?
What are you doing today? What are you doing today?
Je veux faire une sieste.
I want to take a nap. I want to take a nap.
Je ne parierai pas là-dessus.
I wouldn't bet on it. I wouldn't bet on it.
Allons au karaoké.
Let's go to karaoke. Let's go to karaoke.
Vous chantez très bien.
You sing very well. You sing very well.
Vous êtes en vacances?
Are you on vacation? Are you on vacation?
J'ai le nez bouché.
I have a stuffy nose. I have a stuffy nose.
C'est une belle journée.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Il va faire froid.
It's going to be cold. It's going to be cold.
Prenons une tarte aux pommes.
Let's have apple pie. Let's have apple pie.
Puis-je parler à Smith?
May I speak to Smith? May I speak to Smith?
Que s'est-il passé ensuite?
What happened then? What happened then?
Vers 7 heures.
Around 7 o'clock. Around 7 o'clock.
2 et 3 font 5.
2 and 3 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5.
Pourquoi vous dépêchez-vous?
Why are you hurrying? Why are you hurrying?
J'ai beaucoup apprécié.
I enjoyed it very much. I enjoyed it very much.
Cela ne vous concerne pas.
It doesn't concern you. It doesn't concern you.
C'est un peu difficile.
It's kind of difficult. It's kind of difficult.
Sortons le futon.
Let's get the futon out. Let's get the futon out.
Cela vous sert bien.
That serves you right. That serves you right.
Nous sommes enfin arrivés.
We finally arrived. We finally arrived.
Que pensez-vous de moi?
What do you think of me? What do you think of me?
Êtes-vous doué pour le chant?
Are you good at singing? Are you good at singing?
Appelez-moi quand vous aurez fini.
Call me when you finish. Call me when you finish.
Je voudrais vous parler.
I'd like to talk with you. I'd like to talk with you.
Ma femme me trompe.
My wife's cheating on me. My wife's cheating on me.
Veuillez balayer le sol.
Please sweep the floor. Please sweep the floor.
Quand dois-je y venir?
When should I come over? When should I come over?
J'aurais dû boire moins.
I should have drunk less. I should have drunk less.
Je vais vous dire la vérité.
I will tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth.
C'est vraiment quelque chose.
That's really something. That's really something.
Où sont les ascenseurs?
Where are the elevators? Where are the elevators?
Vos yeux sont magnifiques.
Your eyes are beautiful. Your eyes are beautiful.
C'est le nom du jeu.
That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game.
Cela va être long.
This is gonna be a long one. This is gonna be a long one.
Pourriez-vous m'aider?
Could you give me some help? Could you give me some help?
Avec qui êtes-vous irrité?
Who are you irritated with? Who are you irritated with?
Vous me tapez sur les nerfs.
You're getting on my nerves. You're getting on my nerves.
Je le ferai.
Will do. Will do.
Quand quittez-vous votre travail?
When do you get off work? When do you get off work?
Quel est votre nom de famille?
What's your last name? What's your last name?
Veuillez compter cela pour moi.
Please count this for me. Please count this for me.
Mes bagages ont disparu.
My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing.
Il fait très froid aujourd'hui.
It's very cold today. It's very cold today.
Où souhaitez-vous vous rencontrer?
Where would you like to meet? Where would you like to meet?
Quel est votre numéro de téléphone?
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
La mère ne se réconcilie pas.
Mother doesn't make up. Mother doesn't make up.
Ils sont payés à l'heure.
They are paid by the hour. They are paid by the hour.
Je ne peux pas le dire.
I can't tell. I can't tell.
Oui, en effet.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Agissez en fonction de votre âge.
Act your age. Act your age.
Je suis tout à fait d'accord.
I'm all for it. I'm all for it.
Il est de 10 à 2.
It's 10 to 2. It's 10 to 2.
Ne m'ignorez pas.
Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me.
Laissez-moi tranquille.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
Vous avez besoin d'un coup de main?
Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand?
Il ne se tait jamais.
He never shuts up. He never shuts up.
Je me sens vraiment triste.
I feel really sad. I feel really sad.
Quand cela a-t-il commencé?
When did it start? When did it start?
Voilà mon patron.
Here comes my boss. Here comes my boss.
C'est mon seul choix.
It's my only choice. It's my only choice.
Vous me semblez familier.
You look familiar. You look familiar.
C'est ma seule offre.
That's my only offer. That's my only offer.
Combien cela coûte-t-il?
What does this cost? What does this cost?
Où veut-il en venir?
What's he driving at? What's he driving at?
Vous êtes logique.
You're making sense. You're making sense.
C'est beau aujourd'hui.
It's beautiful today. It's beautiful today.
Qu'est-ce que vous étudiez?
What are you studying? What are you studying?
Où puis-je passer un appel?
Where can I make a call? Where can I make a call?
Avez-vous des hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Il a fait de gros dégâts.
He made the trouble big. He made the trouble big.
À quelle heure commence-t-elle?
What time does it begin? What time does it begin?
Vous voulez du café?
Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee?
Cette robe te va bien.
You look good in that dress. You look good in that dress.
Tu es la fille qu'il me faut.
You're the right girl for me. You're the right girl for me.
Je vous appellerai vendredi.
I'll call you on Friday. I'll call you on Friday.
Ne soyez pas si modeste.
Don't be so modest. Don't be so modest.
J'ai besoin de mouchoirs.
I need some tissues. I need some tissues.
Vont-ils venir ce soir?
Are they coming this evening? Are they coming this evening?
Je me suis senti un peu mal.
I felt sort of ill. I felt sort of ill.
Cela ne vous inquiète-t-il pas?
Aren't you concerned about it? Aren't you concerned about it?
Je me sens fatigué.
I feel tired. I feel tired.
Je suis très occupé.
I'm very full. I'm very full.
Voici votre facture.
Here's your bill. Here's your bill.
C'est un jour de grand vent.
It's a breezy day. It's a breezy day.
Vous pouvez parier là-dessus.
You can bet on it. You can bet on it.
Il n'est pas très clair.
He isn't very clear. He isn't very clear.
J'aime jouer au golf.
I like to play golf. I like to play golf.
Cela va-t-il rapporter de l'argent?
Will it make money? Will it make money?
Après le prochain arrêt.
After the next stop. After the next stop.
J'ai eu le cœur brisé.
I felt heartbroken. I felt heartbroken.
Je le sais trop bien.
I know that too well. I know that too well.
Je pensais vous connaître.
I thought I knew you. I thought I knew you.
Je veux me reposer.
I want to take a rest. I want to take a rest.
J'ai changé d'avis.
I've changed my mind. I've changed my mind.
C'est l'heure du dîner.
It's time for dinner. It's time for dinner.
Ce serait formidable.
That would be great. That would be great.
Nous avons quelques snacks.
We have some snacks. We have some snacks.
Vous êtes celui qu'il me faut.
You're the one for me. You're the one for me.
J'ai une grande famille.
I have a large family. I have a large family.
Cela a commencé comme ça.
It started like this. It started like this.
Puis-je débarrasser la table?
May I clear the table? May I clear the table?
Notre problème est résolu.
Our problem solved. Our problem solved.
Ce n'est pas grave.
That's quite all right. That's quite all right.
Ravi de vous rencontrer.
Very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
Où se trouvent les toilettes?
Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom?
Je ne ferai jamais ça.
I wouldn't ever do that. I wouldn't ever do that.
Qu'est-ce que cela signifie?
What does it stand for? What does it stand for?
Vous avez tout grandi maintenant.
You're all grown up now. You're all grown up now.
Vous avez un message?
Do you have any message? Do you have any message?
Aller de mal en pis.
Going from bad to worse. Going from bad to worse.
Ce whisky est fort.
This whiskey is strong. This whiskey is strong.
Quels sont vos symptômes?
What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms?
À quoi sert cette taxe?
What is this charge for? What is this charge for?
Quand voulez-vous jouer?
When do you want to play? When do you want to play?
Puis-je fumer?
Is it all right if I smoke? Is it all right if I smoke?
Pardonnons et oublions.
Let's forgive and forget. Let's forgive and forget.
Vous voulez qu'il vous rappelle?
Want him to call you back? Want him to call you back?
Qu'essayez-vous de dire?
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
À quelle heure commençons-nous?
What time are we starting? What time are we starting?
Vous êtes tout pour moi.
Do you mean everything to me? Do you mean everything to me?
N'importe quoi.
Anything. Anything.
Vous voulez venir avec moi?
Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me?
Quelqu'un d'autre va-t-il venir?
Is anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming?
Il ne supporte pas les blagues.
He can't take a joke. He can't take a joke.
C'est $17.
It's $17. It's $17.
Non, je vous remercie.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
J'aimerais aller au magasin.
I'd like to go to the store. I'd like to go to the store.
Il a l'air en très bonne santé.
He looks very healthy. He looks very healthy.
Il parle toujours en grand.
He always talks big. He always talks big.
Il joue un vieil homme.
He is acting an old man. He is acting an old man.
Je vais la jouer à l'oreille.
I'll just play it by ear. I'll just play it by ear.
On vient de prendre l'avion.
We just caught the plane. We just caught the plane.
Non, jamais.
No, never. No, never.
Ne soyez pas un clochard.
Don't be a bum. Don't be a bum.
Cela semble difficile.
That looks hard. That looks hard.
Ne le dites à personne.
Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone.
Comment se passe votre nouvel emploi?
How's your new job? How's your new job?
C'est un risque d'incendie.
It's a fire hazard. It's a fire hazard.
Il y a de la brise aujourd'hui.
It's breezy today. It's breezy today.
Puis-je vous demander votre âge?
May I ask your age? May I ask your age?
Je vous remercie quand même.
Thank you anyway. Thank you anyway.
Je suis diplômé en anglais.
I major in English. I major in English.
Je perds mon temps.
I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my time.
Il a un bon caractère.
He has a good temper. He has a good temper.
Il est sorti déjeuner.
He's out to lunch now. He's out to lunch now.
Il est très offensif.
He's very offensive. He's very offensive.
J'ai nettoyé ma chambre.
I cleaned up my room. I cleaned up my room.